What's up everybody, ATB here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. And today we are going to open this display right here. Dragonball Super Card Game Mythic Booster. And yeah, it's basically a reprint set which contains new cards with alternate art versions. And yeah, I'm very excited because this is my second display opening on my channel. And yeah, let's see how it goes. If you love this type of content, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you don't want to miss any of my new content, hit the ring bell notification button. With that said guys, let's jump right in. Guys, here we are. This is the box. Let's take a quick look at the set specifications. So we got in total here 126 cards, which includes 30 commons, 50 uncommons, 9 rares, 7 super rares and 2 secret rares. All cards are available in a normal reprint or holographic version. This is a small set, and this is why this set has not much card included. But yeah, let's not waste any time. Let's open this baby up. Let's take our bat knife. Ooh, I'm excited guys. This is totally new to me. Oh, come on. Here we go. Yeah. This is it. Okay, let's put our bat knife away. So, let's see what we find here. Do this like this. Okay, we got 24 packs. I think we are gonna doing this like the last time, just open the first half up, and then on the second part we're gonna open the other half. Alright guys, let's start right here. First pack on the first half. Let's go. So, I honestly don't know what to expect guys. I'm telling you because some of my friends also bought this display, and they told me, hey Angelo, you have to get one, this is one of the best sets in 2022. And it's really? So yeah, you should get one before it's sold out. And yeah, here I am, and I'm sharing you my experience with you guys. So, Dragon Ball. Ooh, this is. Oh. Okay, we got SR Super Rare, and we got ST. What's ST? Standard? You stupid! I don't know. I have to check, guys. But hey, we have our first hit. Super Saiyan Blue Kaioken Son Goku in Super Rare, and Unbreakable Super Saiyan Son Goku in ST. Ooh, these cards are looking pretty nice. Okay, let's sleeve you up, guys. First pack, first hit. That's how I like it. So, where is this? Here. Okay, let's keep going. Next one, please. So, we have here Bardock, Topo. Ooh, this would be in holo, would be pretty nice. Let's see, maybe we have that luck. Super Kamehameha. And this is our first promo rare. And what? Again, S rare? Okay. Oh, hold on a second. Wait. My colleague told me that, I'm not sure, but he told me that in every pack should be a hit. A rare or a super rare at least. Okay, well, I take it. Gratefully, I take it. Promo rare, Super Saiyan 3 Gogeta. Ooh, I've never seen this before. And Koitsukai. This is from the Universe Survivor Saga, I remember. Yo, let's leave you up. This is nice. 2 packs, 2 SR. Can't complain, guys. Can't complain. This set is going to be awesome. Okay. Good. Next one, please. Let's put you right here. Okay. Oh, these packs are always such hard to open. So, surprise attack, not too much Shenron. Cooler. Ultimate Form Son Goku. Ooh, Awaken. Does he have a weird looking face? What do you think, guys? He's kind of looking, I don't know. He's weird. But yeah, our first Awaken here. Let's put you aside. Super Saiyan Jin, Vegeta, Whis, and okay, wait, huh? Okay, guys, we got 2 promo rares in here, but it's probably like my friend told me, in every pack it's a hit. Okay. Ooh, this is, wow, this is going to be fun. I'm excited if we can pull a secret rare like our last opening that we had. On that one we got nuts of luck. Nuts, I told you. This is when I comparing go to see other YouTubers who also opening some displays from Dragon Ball. They got 0 lucks, 0. And yeah, I'm thank God that I pulled at least 1 secret rare. So let's keep going. I got Frieza. This is another Awakened card from Broly. I like this greenish. It looks nice. Super duper mega nice. Yeah, but in holo it would be greater. But let's keep going. Ginyu, Unbreakable, Trunks Helping Blast. Okay, now we got our promo and
surprise, motherfucker!
Oh my god.
This is our first secret rare, guys. Oh shit. Jesus. Oh my god, look at this. Wow. Oh my god, I'm literally shaking, guys. Look at this beauty. Wow, look at that gold. Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta. Oh my god, this is a secret rare. Holy moly. Wow. And we got just by telling Super Saiyan 2 Trunks. Heroic Prospect. Wow, guys, this is this is absolutely amazing. We got our first secret rare from the Mythic Booster set. I don't know what to say, guys. These cards, I just love the art of these cards. I I can't explain otherwise. But look at this. Ooh, my holy grail. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Okay, guys. Whew, let's calm down. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Never stop. Keep going. Oh, my heart is beating. Whew. My heart is beating so fast. Okay. Whew. Okay, calm down. What? Dimension after image technique. Vegeta Super Warrior. Super Saiyan Freeze and Goku. And wait, what? What is an? Can you see this, guys? FR? What's a FR? And we got here our promo rare Kefla. Woo! Waifu alarm. Yeah, but I don't know what's an FR, guys. Just let me know in the comments below if you know what the FR is. And yeah, let's leave this up. Well, I have to say, guys, this set is absolutely amazing. If you got the chance to buy one, don't hesitate. Take him, buy as much as you can, because this far we even haven't reached the first half, and we have pulled secret rare and so much super rares and promo rares, and poof, this is worth the money, guys. This is really worth the money. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, what we got here? Bardock, Vegeta, Piccolo. Ooh, what? Wait a minute. This is a. Oh, okay, but never mind. Okay, our next FR and our promo rare. Woo! Double waifu alarm. Wow, wow, wow. Android 18 and Chilai. Ooh, but I have to tell that on these promo rares it got a lot of gold in it. I love it. It's shiny, it's beautiful, it's sparkling. Man, like I told you before, I love the art of these cards. These are just absolutely beautiful and worth to collect. Okay, July, you are getting a sleeve too. Okay, keep going, guys, keep going. Okay, what do we got here? Super Saiyan Rosé, Ultra Instinct Goku. Yeah, some of these cards are familiar, because this is a reprint set. I have some of them, but Son Goten. Okay, and promo rare Super Saiyan 4 Bardock. Ooh, looks pretty nice too. And promo rare Supreme Kai of Time. Nice. Holo and gold combined in each pack. This is an absolutely... I repeat myself. This set, guys. Get it. I can't tell you anything else. Just go get it. It's worth the money, believe me. You see it in this video right here. In each pack, it is a hit. In each pack it is a hit. A promo rare, super rare, special, no special rare, secret rare. There's no special rare in this set. You stupid. Okay. Okay, let's go. Alright, Final Spirits, Broly, Dimension, Janemba. Okay. Power Burst. Okay, we got Super Saiyan Trunks. This is a, hold on, promo. Here we had it on. Oh, this is the same. Is this the same? Yeah, it's the same. Okay, good. First double and promo surprise attack. Ah, look at this. We had it pulled before on normal, and this is on promo foiled version. Nice, nice. I take it. I take it. Gonna sleeve you up, and you too, of course. Okay. Okay. Next pack. Goku, Android, Zendu Bean. Oh, Gogeta, Awaken card. Fusion. Ha! This is for sure one of my favorite characters, Gogeta and Vegito. These are two monsters, I tell you. Okay. Oh, this is super rare and a common. This is our first common holo in this set. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Dirty bursts. This is Frost and this is Janemba. Oh, Janemba, but Janemba's looking nice. Either way, it's a common. I don't care. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Honestly, each card which is a hit, it's beautiful. And we get in each pack, we get 2 hits at least. And each one of them it's absolutely phenomenal. I can tell you anything else. This set, guys, I recommend to you, if you have the chance, go get it. Just go get it. Okay. Okay. I see you before. You too, you too, you too. Now it's getting annoying with the doubles, guys. Okay. Promo rare, Super Saiyan 3 Gogeta. Do we have pulled them before? I don't know. And ooh, this is the. Oh my god, hold on, guys, hold on. Look at this. Look at this. This is the old reprint in holo version, and this one right here is the new alternate art version in foil. Oh my god. This is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, these are 2 super rares. This is the new one and this is the old one. Woo! Here we go, guys. Here we go again. Absolutely phenomenal. Woo! I tell you, I can't. I'm speechless, guys. I'm really speechless. This is an absolute phenomenal set and I just love it. I just love it. Okay, guys, we have 2 packs left for the first half. Let's open this quick up and then let's jump into the second one. All right, Rosé Topo. Ooh, this one in fold, maybe. Oh, Super Saiyan Fear for Goku Beyond All Limits promo and common power. Oh my holy! This is another one of the new cards with the alternate art version. Oh my crap! Look at this! What the hell is happening, guys? Hit by hit by hit by hit, and it's not stopping. It's not stopping. Woo! This is... My heart is beating so fast right now, I can't believe it. This is literally one of the best sets came out in 2022. Really, I can't tell anything else. This is absolutely a phenomenal set. Okay, let's go. Whis, Kefla, again Whis, Gogeta. And this is our doubled FR Vegeta in foil. And we have our next, oh come on, really? 2 cards the same? Nah, yeah. Now it's getting boring. Yeah, because this is now, you see, the more we open, the more the cards are getting doubled. Yeah, and unfortunately also the foiled versions. But hey, I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining at all. Okay, guys. First half we are done, and yeah, let's jump into the second. Here we go. So I just put all the cards we just have pulled aside, but don't worry, in the end I'm gonna show you the big hits in a quick row. So let's keep going, guys. I just speed a little up because I don't want to spend too much time for this video. Power burst. See, this is the old one, and now before we had pulled the alternate version. Okay, we got promo Broly in as a kid, and ooh, this is our first uncommon foiled Topo Righteous 8. Righteous 8. Yeah, this is also nice looking. This is also nice looking. I'm not that Topo fan. More Jiren, but Topo is also OP. But yeah, with this fat belly here. No, just joking. I also have a vamp. Yeah, but let's leave it up. Now we have to push forward. Push, baby, push. Okay. Good. Next one. Okay. Broly. Kefla Awaken. Waifu. Yeah, I don't like you in black hair. Just better keep it greenish. My God. Okay. Keep going. Speed a little up. Okay, we have seen you before, and ST Chain Attack Trunks. Also really nice. A lot of gold. This gold is. I just love it. Go. Let's lift you up. Okay, next one. Frieza, Cooler, all the bad guys, Piccolo, Vegeta, Android 17. Oh, Kid Goku, super rare, nice. And common Whis. Okay. Also a lot of, yeah, not that much gold. It's pretty decent, but it's nice looking. Okay, let's leave you up. 1, 2. Okay. Okay, what we got here? Zarbon. Yep. Zarbon. Goku. Vegeta again. Mafuma again. Trunks. Super Kamehameha. And yeah, here we go again. Ooh, this is a new one. Revived Ravager. Okay, Ravager Vegeta. Also nice looking with gold. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Each hit of this set is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely. Okay. Well, let's keep going, guys. We have not much left. Let's see. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And with this one, it's 8. 8 packs left. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Yeah, the weird looking Broly. Here again, Trunks, Bardock, and oh, super rare Cooler and promo rare Whis. Oh, Cooler, but now Cooler is looking absolutely boss. Look at this chest. Bam! I'm gonna F you up. Okay. Whis. Yeah. These are looking absolutely beautiful. Like I said before. I said this before. Okay. Keep going. Right. And again, Broly, Whis, especially here, Dragon Ball here, Gogeta. Yeah, again, Super Saiyan 4 Bardock and Launch in promo rare. Look at this heart golds. Look at this. So many hearts gold. Until she sneezes, and then she's gonna ruin your life. If you know what I mean. Okay. Let's keep going. Next one. I love this set. I love this set. Goku, Vegeta, Senzu Bean, Android, Vegeta. Again, Launch and promo. Oh yeah, see? Old, new. Old, new. So now you have seen several times what this set gives you, and we got Trunks helping Blast in promo. So 2 promos here. Let's lift them up. So, next one. Oh, come on. Don't be like that. So. Okay. Cooler, Bardock, Goku, Ginyu, Super Saiyan Goku, Bardock again. And we got Giant Ball. Giant Ball is super rare. And common shocking Death Ball. Woo! No lie, guys, in every pack there is a hit. It doesn't matter if it's common, uncommon, promo, super rare, secret rare. In each pack it's a hit. Unbelievable. Unbelievable that Bandai did this. Really, shout out to Bandai for this absolutely beautiful set. And I don't know, maybe I'm gonna Gonna buy another one, but yeah, let's see. Okay. Kefla, Vegeta, again, yes. Okay, we got Mask Saiyan, Brainwashed, No More. This is Turtles, I guess, not Bardock, Turtles. And promo rare Saiyan Technique Great Ape Vegeta. I think also we have pulled the old one, and this is the alternative new version. Woo! It's not looking bad, guys. I'm telling you, it's not looking bad. We are pulling pretty great right here. Pretty great. Okay. So we have 3 packs left, guys. 3 packs left. Let's see what Destiny gives us. Death Ball. And again, promo Super Saiyan 2 Trunks and Super Saiyan 3 Gogeta. This is new. This is a new one. Well, let's lift them up. It's also a lot of gold. Yeah, but I think generally all cards more or less have gold in it. But the more gold, the more shiny my eyes are. Okay. Frieza, Bardock, Kefla, Piccolo, Whis, Goku, again, Goku Super Saiyan 4, and Final Spirit Cannon in uncommon foil. Woo, Bardock, this is also a lot of shiny gold. But yeah, also beautiful looking. Okay. Okay, guys, last pack right here. I'm excited. I'm really excited. Let's see. Okay. Goku, Kefla, Fuba, Android, Vegito, Broly the Kid, and oh, this is the last card. Is also a new one. Fighting against Fates. Okay, this is also absolutely phenomenal looking. Yeah, this card we have seen before, but this is also, I can tell you, this is in real life, it's more astonishing. It's really absolutely beautiful. I love these cards. I just love them. I just love to collect them, all of them. So, okay, guys, this is it. All packs are opened, and yeah, let's gonna see what we have pulled all here, right? Guys, let's just take a quick look what we have pulled on this display. Quick resume. So Vegeta, so we have Super Bardock, July, Trunks, Vegeta, Supreme Kai, Broly, Super for Goku, Launch. Yeah, these are just absolute beautiful cards. Look at this. So these are all the promos and yeah, FRs and standards in here. Then we got these 2 foiled uncommons, Topo and Bardock. Then we have here the foiled commons. We have Janemba, Muten Roshi, Power Burst, Whiz Time Magic, and Shocking Death Ball. Super Android 17. And then now we come to the big hits. Super rares. We got Cooler, a Giant Ball, Koitsukai, Frost, Dirty Burst, and this is my absolute new favorite one. The new alternate art version of the Super Saiyan Blue Kaioken Goku. But this is also nice looking. So it's also nice looking. So these are all the super rares we pulled, and that's a lot. And yeah, the big hit of this display is of course the secret rare Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta. This, guys, is absolutely phenomenal beast looking card. Look at the burst, look at the gold, shiny, everything. I probably gonna grade this one. Okay guys, we are at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. My opinion of the set, it's absolutely the bomb. It's fantastic, it's phenomenal. My recommendation to you, if you get the chance to buy one, don't hesitate it. Grab it, buy it, you won't regret it, believe me. And yeah, I got mine from TCG Games. I leave the link in the description down below. Go check him out. If you're looking for single cards like Magic or Pokemon or Yu-Gi-Oh or Dragon Ball, he has him. Go check him out, he's your man. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think of this display? Is it good? Is it bad? Is it expensive? Have you bought one or not? And if yes, what did you put? Let me know in the comment and I will come back to you. With that said guys, stay healthy, have a good day and see you next time. Bye.